Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to change your Apple ID country or region and it's not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact reasons why it happens and show you how to fix it step by step. Let's jump right in. So why can't you change your Apple ID country? There are 5 main reasons this might be happening. 1. Active subscriptions. If you have any active subscriptions like Apple Music, iCloud storage or subscription to apps, you won't be able to change your country. You need to cancel all of them first. Here's how. Open the Settings app, tap your Apple ID name at the top, then tap on Subscriptions. You'll see a list of all your current subscriptions. Cancel anything that's still active. Second reason, Apple ID balance. If you have even a small amount of money left in your Apple ID balance, you can't switch countries. You'll need to spend all of it first before making the change. Third reason, family sharing. If you are part of a family sharing group, Apple won't let you change the country. To leave family sharing, first open the Settings application, tap on your Apple ID name. Now scroll down and tap Family. You'll see your family group here. Leave the group before continuing. Fourth reason, pending purchases or refunds. If there's a purchase that hasn't finished processing, like an app, movie or subscription, you'll need to wait for it to complete before changing your region. Fifth reason, payment method issues. When you change to a new country, you must add a valid payment method for that specific country. For example, if you are switching to the US, you will need a US-based credit card, debit card or PayPal. So guys, once you have taken care of all of that, here's how to change your country. Open the Settings app, tap your Apple ID name at the top. Now scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. Select View Account. Now enter your Apple ID password to continue. Tap Country Region. Now choose your new country from the list. Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then add a payment method and billing address for the new country. Here you have to enter your street, postal code, city name and your phone number. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you are still having trouble, contact Apple support. They'll be able to help you out. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any question. See you in the next one.